I would say myself, the field of law on its own was an inspiration. There's so many different fields that you can go to, whether it's personal injury, uh, employment law, environmental law, wills and trusts. It's just a ongoing list of categories that you can study and learn from in this field. And that was enough inspiration for me to go through with it. As an attorney, you're dealt with all sorts of kind of cases. Every case is unique and different. You never know what hand you're going to get dealt with. Not every case is clear cut. Some, they tell you that it's not worth pursuing. It's too much effort to pursue. I think every case is worth looking into. You never know what you're going to find. You never know what you're capable of discovering in a case and what value there can actually be until you've done all your due diligence in that matter. So that kind of also goes to why I love doing personal injury. Our firm always levels the playing field against big insurance companies and big competitors. It's not always size that matters. It's about the foundation, and our firm does a very good job of creating a family environment amongst the employees and our clients. And together we're able to, with patience, with consistency, pull through against these bigger companies. Having resources to fight and get justice for our clients is priority number one. That's what turns an average case into a great case. And Chuck and Eddie, us at Farah and Farah, we do a great job of utilizing our resources, being provided those resources to do everything we absolutely can to get as much value on every case that we are given and have the privilege of representing. My favorite thing about Farah and Farah is the family relationship that we have, the resources that we have, the amount of questions and feedback that we can bounce off each other. Every week we have a meeting with our trial team, with our litigating attorneys, with colleagues to discuss value on cases and to have multiple perspectives on a case, the best way to pursue a case. That is one of the greatest things about Farah and Farah. I believe the traits I have that make me a successful attorney is compassion. You deal with all sorts of people of all walks of life, and it's very important to really value each and every one of our clients and understand what this specific instance is putting them through, because it puts through something differently every time. It's never the exact same thing. It's not clockwork. Every single case is different. Every single client is different and has their own personality and own effects on how this case impacted their life. So I believe my ability to understand patience, compassion, getting to understand and learn about these clients is my biggest attribute. It helps motivate me wanting to push forward and take their case all the way through. When you hire me, you're going to get someone that's always going to be available to you, accessible via phone, willing to answer your questions, help calm you down throughout the process whenever you feel like you're getting stressed or things are not moving forward. You're always going to have somebody available to communicate with you through me, through my paralegal, through a manager. There's always somebody to contact over at our firm to help catch you up and answer any questions that you may have.